So if you receive a call or a notification on your iPhone and in that particular moment if the LED flash alert is not working, then how to fix it? I'm going to guide you through each and every step that how can you fix it. But before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now the very first thing you have to do is just simply check if the flash is working or not. So how can you check it? You can just simply go to control center, you can turn on the torch, and if the flash turns on, it means the flash is working. Next thing is you can simply go to camera application and also you can check that if the flash is working or not. You can tap and hold on the flash option, you can turn it on, and now you can see the flash is working. So there is no problem with the flash. So we have to change some settings. So in order to change the settings, we can simply go to settings option. Once you go to settings, go down, go to accessibility, and then go to audio and visual. Now over here, if you go down, you get an option of flash for alerts. So in flash for alerts, don't forget to turn on this toggle. But what many people do is they only turn on this toggle. They forget to turn on the two options which are down here. So if you only turn on this flash for alert option, and after that if you get any particular call or any notification, the LED flash alert will not work. So let me show you. So you can see the setting is on. Now I am getting a call, but the flash is not working. So make sure to turn on these two options which says flash while unlocked. So turn on that option, and next option is flash in silent mode. So we have done the setting. Now if I get a call, you can see I'm getting a call, but the flash is still not working. Now what is the problem? So the problem is the device is on DND mode. So if your device is on DND mode, no matter what the setting is, the flash will not work. So what we have to do is just simply turn off the DND mode and make sure these two options are turned on. After that, if I get a call, now you can see I'm getting a call and flash alert is working. Also, as the device was on DND mode, let me show you what happens if I turn off the settings and when DND mode is off. Again, if I get a call, you can see I'm getting a call, but the flash is not working and the device is not on DND mode. So which is why these two options are important. Make sure to turn it on. So yes, these are some simple settings which you have to do in order to, make the LED flash alert work during the call or notification. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.